What's the meaning of American Eagle? American Eagle. American Eagle. American Eagle. American Eagle. American Eagle.
American Eagle refers to the national bird and symbol of the United States of America. It represents freedom, strength, and independence. The bald eagle was chosen as the emblem in 1782 because of its majestic appearance, regal stature, and because it is unique to North America. As a symbol, the American eagle has been used in many contexts, from political campaigns to military insignia. Its image is widely recognized and celebrated throughout the country, and it remains a powerful symbol of patriotism and national identity.